Hola, ¿qué tal? ¿Cómo están? Hoy vamos a hablar de los artículos definidos e indefinidos. Today we are going to speak and we're going to talk about definite and indefinite articles. But before we get into it, let's hear what the silly kids have to say.
I want to introduce you to two of my favorite little dudes, Toño and Toña.
Hi there. We're brother and sister. We're always together. We don't know why. It's just our destiny.
Toño and Toña are going to help us practice Spanish articles.
What's he talking about? Like a magazine article?
Cheer up, little dudes. It's not that hard. Okay, definite articles first. Toño es el chico. Toña es la chica.
I guess so. La. If you say so.
See? No problem, right? Let's try some indefinite articles. Okay, so what's this?
Una?
That's right, una pizza. Excellent, little dudes. Now, what about this?
Ooh. It's a toughie. My head's exploding. Unos refrescos?
That's right, unos refrescos. Great job. So what do you think?
Time for a snack. Definitely. Pass me a bottle of that fancy stuff. And where's that pizza?
Did you get it? Definite articles are el, la, los, las. For example, you say el chico, la chica. Also, indefinite articles, you have un, una, unos, unas, una pizza, unos refrescos. So let's analyze definite and indefinite articles. So what are definite articles? Okay, in English, definite articles are the, okay? They're used with nouns and they indicate something that is specific, something that is very likely to be. So it's used for persons, it's used for places or things. Okay. Now indefinite articles in English will be a or an, and are used with nouns to indicate non-specific persons, places, or things. For example, the boy is a friend. The boy is a definite, right? Definite. The boy. A friend is indefinite. It's just a friend. A friend. So that will be the indefinite. In Spanish, it's similar. El chico is un amigo. El is the definite articles and un will be indefinite articles. The difference is that in English, we only have one definite, the, and we have two indefinite, a and an. In Spanish, we have more. Of course we do. Definite articles have to match in Spanish. They have to match the nouns, the things that we're talking about, the places, the people, whatever it is that we're talking about, right? They have to match in gender. Remember, every word in Spanish has gender. It could be a feminine word or could be a masculine. A masculine word ends with an O, and a feminine word ends with an A. And also it has to match in number, okay? So if a word, a noun ends with an OS, it's plural, it's masculine and plural. So if it ends with an A and an S, then it's feminine and plural. So it has to match in gender and number. Okay, so what am I talking about? So let's look at it. Nouns ending in O are usually masculine, and nouns that end with A are usually feminine. Okay, so for example, we have chico. Chico is a boy, ends with an O. So the article for definite article for chico will always be el chico. But notice that this does not have an accent, right? Because otherwise it would be he. This one, el, means he, the. El means the in this case. El chico, the boy. Now, if you're talking about more than two boys, then you add an S and say chicos, boys. Very similar as in English, right? In English, you also add an S. Now, the definite article for chicos will be los. So notice how los matches with os, with chicos here. So that's what they mean by matching the gender and number, okay? Los chicos. Now, singular or feminine definite articles, you have la chica. Chica ends with an A, therefore it's a girl. Chica is feminine word. And the definite article will have to be la. You cannot say la chico, or you cannot say el chica. That would be incorrect. Why? Because it has to match the gender and the number. Las chicas will be for plural, more than one girl, right? Las chicas. Las is the, and chicas is girls. Las chicas. Again, they have to match gender and they have to match number, okay? Now, indefinite articles are similar, okay? And these are it. Un chico, a boy. Un is used for masculine words that end with an O. Any word that end with an O. Unos chicos will be for plural. Anything that ends with O, that is more than one, will be OS, chicos. So you will say unos. You know, uno is one, right? Unos is some. It translates to some boys. Una is a girl. Una chica, a girl. Notice how una is not uno, right? It's una because it matches the gender. Chica ends with an A. Therefore, the indefinite article also have to match. Okay. Now, what is the difference between the masculine and feminine? The A. Do you see this? The letter A for feminine? It doesn't have it when we're talking about a boy. Un chico. Un chico, una chica. Now, when we're talking about more than one, talking about girls, more than one, all you do, you just add an S. Chica, chicas. Okay? And what do you do with the indefinite article? Same thing. You just add an S. Unas, chicas. And that translates to some girls. Okay? Unas chicas son altas y otras son bajas. Some girls are tall and others are short. Now, here, to form the plural of a noun, you just have to add an S. That's all you do. And if the vowel, if it ends in a vowel, right? Like for example, libro ends with a vowel, libros, right? And es if it ends in a consonant. If it ends in an R, an L, whatever consonant it is, to make it plural, you just add es, okay? Like is the case here. Estudiante, estudiantes. Mujer, mujeres. So if it ends with an E or a consonant, all you do, you just add es to make it more than one. Estudiante or estudiantes. Does that make sense? Good. So you know that, right? If it ends with a vowel, you just add an S. If it ends with a consonant, add es to make it plural, okay? So now, with this information in mind, what are you going to do? You're going to go to the next page. This is in page 61. You're going to go to page 62, okay? In page 62, you're going to complete on the sentences with the correct definite article. Remember, the definite articles are el, la, los, las, okay? So here, el, la, los, or las. Chicos son atléticas. We're talking about one or two. How many chicos or chicas? Chicas. Are they girls? Yes, they are girls. Son atléticas, right? The girls are athletic. Notice that atléticas also matches the gender and the number. Chicas, atléticas. And the verb, the action is are, son. Somebody asks you, how do you say are in Spanish? Many of you do. It's son, okay? Son. O están. In this case would be son. So which one would you put? El, la, los, or las? It's more than one. Remember, has to match gender and number. So it's not going to be el, no, because it's for boys, one boy. It's not going to be la, because even though this is feminine, this is only for one feminine, right, word. Is it going to be los? Even though this word chicas is plural, it's not going to be for that, because this one is only used for masculine words. It's going to be las. Las chicas. Notice how it matches. Las chicas matches with chicas. So it will be las. Let's go to the next one. Las número dos. Maestra es inteligente. Maestra ends with an A. So it's feminine. So it will be el? No. El maestra? No, that will not be correct, right? Because it has to match gender and number. And the gender is feminine. So it will be la maestra es inteligente. The teacher is smart. Next one, número 3. Amigos son simpáticos. Amigos. It's talking about boys or girls? Boys. How many? More than one, right? Amigos. So what would be the definite article? Notice that amigos, the noun, and the adjective also matches. Amigos, simpáticos. See that? So the article, the definite article in front also has to match. So it will be las or los. Correct. It will be los. Los amigos son simpáticos. Chico. Is it el chico, la chica, los chicos, or las chicas? It's el chico. El chico es pelirrojo. Mujeres. Mujeres, women. More than one or one? Mujeres, one. Woman. And mujeres would be women. Son artísticas. The women are artistic. So what would be the article for that? Correcto. Las. Las chicas. Okay, you got it. So when you're ready, you just click here and submit your answers, okay, as you are used to do. We're also going to do activity 6, and here, what are you going to do? You're going to listen and write the list of what Sandra likes to buy using definite articles. You can use el, la, los, or las, okay? And finally today, okay, you are going to complete activity 7 by using indefinite articles, right? So you're going to say a something or some something. For example, un means a, una is a for feminine words, unos, some for masculine words that are more than one, plural, and unas also means some for feminine words that end with, obviously, that are feminine, right? Galletas, son unas galletas, right? Son unas galletas. Papas fritas, son unas papas fritas. Refresco, es un refresco. Galleta, es una galleta. Helado, es un helado. Pizza, es una pizza. Helados, son unos helados. Fruta, son unas frutas. Jugo de naranja, es un jugo de naranja. And what do? You just go here, click on the question, and complete, just like I did it for you, okay? So again, definite articles are el, la, los, and las. Indefinite articles are un, una, unos, and unas. So if you have any questions, I'm here, and complete your activities in these pages. This is from page 62, okay? Adiós, nos vemos en clase. Chao, chao.